Good day, children. I welcome to online class. Today in our maths class, we begin with a new lesson, lesson 5, multiplication part 1. Now, if you have gone through your index of your maths book, it shows multiplication in two parts. One is part 1, where you will be learning how to multiply horizontally and the lattice method, and in multiplication part 2 you will be doing it in the second term, where they will show you multiplication but how to multiply vertically. So let's begin with multiplication part 1, multiplying horizontally. Now remember, we did addition horizontally, subtract horizontally. Now multiplying horizontally. Even multiplying horizontally has a rule. What does the rule says? While multiplying horizontally whole tens, hundreds or thousands by another number, we multiply the tens, hundreds, thousands by the other number first and then write 1, 2 or 3 zeros at the end. So let me explain. When you are multiplying a number, whole tens may be 10 or 20 multiplied by a6 or 30 multiplied by 4. Hundreds is 100 multiplied by 5, 200 multiplied by 6. So this is the meaning of whole tens, whole hundred or thousands. 1000, 2000 multiplied by another number. So whichever number is given. So you begin by multiplying the tens, hundreds or thousands by the whole number, by the other number, and then whatever zeros are there, that you have to write at the end. Let me explain it with an example. Example 1, 20 multiplied by 4 tens equals dash. Sum number 2, 3 multiplied by 700, 50 multiplied by 1000. Instead of putting the zeros, you have put over here 1000, same like the 10. And the fourth one is dash multiplied by 60 equals 60,000. So let me begin with example number 1. 20 multiplied by 4t. So now the rule says you have to multiply the number first, then look at the zeros. So 2 4 is 8. Now we deal with the zeros. Now there is one zero in the 20, so I put the 0 there. 10 has 1 0 again, so I put that 10. So my answer is 800. 20 multiplied by 40 is 800. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and then I put the zeros. The first 0 from here and the second 0 from the t. Let's go to example number 2. 3 multiplied by 700. 3 sevens are 21. Now there is no 0 over here. It's only a single digit number. So I go to 700. 700 has 2 zeros. So I place the 2 zeros at the end of the number. Next, 50 multiplied by 1000. Okay, so let's begin. So I say 5 ones are 5. Now this 0 of 50 I place over here. Now 1000, we go to 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So here I put the 3 zeros. So my answer is 50,000. I hope children you have understood. We multiply the number first and then we look at the zeros. The last one, dash multiplied by 60 is 60,000. That means the answer is given. Here you have to work out the other way. You have to find out the number with which if you multiply 60, you get the answer 60,000. 6 and 6. 1 6 are 6, remember, or 6 1s are 6. So I put 1. Now there is a 0 over here. Now since the answer is already given, we cannot put, so let's see, we will cancel 0 this and this 0. So 60 and 60 are out. Now 3 zeros are left, so those 3 zeros we bring over here. So this is how you get the answer 1000. So when I multiply 1000 by 60, my answer is 60,000. I hope children you have understood the simpler method of multiplying horizontally. Here are some, let us solve now these examples. The first sum, 600 multiplied by 5, 80 multiplied by 70, 2000 multiplied by 3, and dash multiplied by 900 is 90,000. Let's begin with the first one. 6 and 5. 5 6 are 30. These two zeros come over here. So my answer is 30,000. Next one. 8 and 7 we will multiply first. 8 sevens gives me 56. And I place the first 0 from 80 and then the second 0 from 70. 2000 multiplied by 3. 2 threes gives me 6. 1000 has 3 zeros. So here I place the 3 zeros for 1000 and my answer is 6000. The last one, dash multiplied by 900 equals 90,000. Now, as the earlier sum, I will write 1 9s are 9. So these two zeros I will cut out and these two zeros I will cut out. So how many zeros are left? 1, 2. So I write 2 zeros. So my answer is 100 multiplied by 900 gives me 90,000. And how do I know my answer is correct? Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here they are. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I hope children you have understood how to multiply horizontally. In the next video, teacher will be explaining about the lattice method. Thank you.